In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your email address in Asana. Now, managing your email settings within Asana can be quite necessary, especially when you're switching email providers or just trying to reorganize your digital notifications. So let's dive right into the process and ensure you can keep your Asana notifications flowing smoothly. First, you want to locate the drop-down menu, which you can access from the upper right corner of your Asana interface. Look for your profile icon there. It should be easy enough to spot. Clicking on this icon will display a menu, and from this menu, you need to select Settings. This step is crucial as it will take you to the necessary settings area where you can manage your account details. Once you're in the settings menu, you need to click on Email Forwarding. This will bring up a pop-up window. Inside this pop-up, there are various tabs, and you want to navigate to the Account tab. This is the area where you can manage and alter your email address associated with Asana. Here you will find an option labeled Add Email. Clicking this will initiate the process to incorporate a new email address into your Asana account. At this point, you might be prompted to re-authenticate your account. Re-authentication is an additional security step, ensuring that your account remains safe while you make such key changes. To complete this, simply follow the on-screen instructions to re-authenticate. Once this security checkpoint is cleared, you will be able to proceed with adding your new email address. After you've added the new email, Asana will send a verification email to this newly entered address. Make sure to check your inbox for this email, and don't forget to also look in your spam folder. Sometimes these emails can end up there by mistake. It's crucial to verify your new email address since this step finalizes linking the new email to your Asana account. Follow the verification link sent to you and complete the verification process. Now that your new email address is verified, you're free to remove the old email from your account. Just remember, once you delete the old email address, you'll have to undergo a brief verification process again, ensuring that the transition happens securely. Once the entire process is complete, your new email will be fully integrated into your Asana account. This means all future correspondence and notifications will now be directed to your new address, keeping your workflow uninterrupted and up to date. And there you have it. That's how you can replace your email in Asana. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it a try the next time you need to update your email settings.